In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find a YouTube channel ID on mobile device. Let's get started. The key thing to remember here is that you cannot use the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app for this. Instead, you will need to use your browser on your phone. So launch your preferred browser and then type in studio.youtube.com. Provide your YouTube account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Click on Continue to Studio. Now at the bottom left, you're going to find this settings icon. Click on that. You can use your fingers to swipe and navigate around. Now here, head over to this option channel. Then click on this section of Advanced. Now scroll down until you find the option Manage YouTube Account. Click on that. Now select any of your browser. I have selected Chrome. Now click on three dots and select the option Request Desktop Site. Now here you're going to find your channel ID. Navigate to the tab Advanced Settings. If the ID does not show up right away, try turning off portrait lock mode and rotating your phone to landscape. This should make the ID visible and you'll be able to copy it for whatever you need. And that's it. That's how you find a YouTube channel ID on mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.